What's up guys, iAppleTuber here. So today I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to get iOS 12 without jailbreak, without computer on your devices right now. So you can get iOS 12 beta for free, no jailbreak, no computer. It's very simple, very quick, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to get it. So very simple. All you want to do is just go to the description, click on the link, and please make sure to open it in Safari only. It's going to be in this website. So as you can see right here, once here you want to just go ahead and scroll down as easy as this. Then you want to click on the slow download, which is free. Make sure to click on that. Then once you do that, you just want to wait for this pop-up. So it says, do you want this to allow for the setting configuration profile? You want to click on allow. Once you do that, you want to choose the iPhone. Since I have the Apple Watch, I'm just going to choose it for the iPhone. Once you do that for the iPhone, here as you can see, iOS 12 beta software profile. Then you want to click on install. So make sure to enter your device passcode. Once you do that, it's going to ask you for a consent form where you guys need to agree, and then you'll be able to download it. If you agree with it, you want to click on install, and there you go. It will start to install. But for me, I'm not actually going to go install because I'm going to wait for it. But if you guys do want it to install, you just want to click on restart. And once you do that, it will go ahead and get iOS 12 on your devices for free. And that's a promise. No lie. It will work 100%. But for me, I'm going to click on not now, and I'm going to go ahead and click on done. But yeah guys, that was it. Very short and very quick tutorial on how to get iOS 12 for free. Make sure to check out my other videos as well, and please make sure to like this video, subscribe, and much more videos dropping very soon. iAppleTuber here, signing off.
The apocalypse.